Something's going up real fast. A plane? I can't tell what it is. Whoa, is that moving quick? That could be a drone. I don't know what the hell that is. But that is quick. There's only one remaining right now. Whatever that green flashing one is, he moved quick around it to get it. Super quick. He's like right there with it. Oh, he's like right on it. Oh, ooh, 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 that whatever it was just shut down the drone, if that was a drone. Holy crap. Yep, my live got disconnected. Go figure, right? So there is, what the fuck is that? What the hell? Okay, something's going on. Something's going on. What is that next to it? What the fuck? A part of me is starting to maybe think like that red drone is someone's drone, like someone here putting it up, like police or something like that, and the one above it is the unidentified drones. I don't know, that's not accurate. I am just saying my theory, because that red drone is really low. It's kind of weird. And oh my god, look at that one going. What the fuck? Where is it going? It went close to that red drone. What the fuck, guys? What the hell is happening? It's going low. It's getting lower. I'm sorry if you guys can't see that good. I'm trying my best. Okay, so that other one disappeared. The red one's still here. I don't know if that's someone's drone that's just trying to check things out. My live got disconnected. They are very low in seaside heights right now. Very low.
Whoa, what the fuck? Holy shit. Holy shit.
I'm telling you, they're not moving. They're staying stationary. They're hovering.
They kind of look wide too.
Look at the lights changing.
It is moving.
No, it's not.
It looks like it.
Yeah, but they're not moving. That's an airplane. Hang on.
Which one? The one closest to the Capitol building?
Hang on, let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, that's an airplane.
But the one in the middle, that one.
That's an airplane. You can see it moving.
Yeah.
The one to the right, or over here,
The one behind the Capitol building is not an airplane.
or over here. That's an airplane. Okay.
Yeah, over there is, but look at
Yeah,
that one.
and I'm sort of saying, like, when you look to the left of the Capitol,
That one's
those are not moving.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. They're here.
Can we go back in the car? God.
They're here, Ella.
Okay. What the heck? So cold.
Dude.
Mystery drones in the air. This is wild. That was really quick. What in the world is happening? What? Update, but that mystery drone up there is still there. It's been like maybe 10-15 minutes. It's still there. I just found 3.
Fucking record.
It's like all over
Here,
there.
I'll show you that. Because I really can't see it.
Alright. Right there. And then these right here. This one's huge.
It is like as far as close as you can. Look at the way it's moving.
And then over here, there's this one.
That's fucking nuts. Gulf Coast.
And then over here too.
Mississippi. What day is this? The 15th?
Yeah, something like that, man.
Dude, look at this one right here. You see it?
Oh, what the fuck, dude?
Dude, what is that? It's that green. It's so fast, dude.
What the fuck is that, dude?
That's way too fast. Bro. Fuck that thing's fucking.
Dude, you just was one of just fucking sick clouds.
There's a green one that's just zipping across. I've got video of it. See it right over there? Right. It's way over there
Look at
now.
all these fucking things in this
Dude, there's
house.
a fuck ton of them. Yeah. There's one right there. There's one right there. There's one right there. There's one right there. You see that one?
I got all that on video.
Dude, hell yeah.